Hey, in this video I will show you how can you convert any JPG file or any picture to a PDF file. Okay, you can see this. This is a PDF file and this is the JPG file. So in this video I will show you step by step. Okay. At first you have to install the Pillow package. So go to Google and search for Pillow Python. Okay, and go to pypi and just copy this pip install Pillow. And now just install this. Okay, in my case already satisfied. Okay, so just install the Pillow. So in this type of case you can create the virtual environment and just activate the virtual environment. Okay, so at first just import the image from Pillow. Okay, so just type from pil import image. Okay, now grab the image file. Okay, so the image file is test.jpg. okay, so you can see this. Now import this file. So just create a variable file name, means fname. So file name equal test.jpg. okay, so you have to type the right path of this file. In my case this Python file and this image file is in same directory. Okay, now open the file. So just open the file with image. So img image dot open. Okay, and just pass the file name fname. This file is this. Okay, so just put this into a variable. So just create a variable img. Okay, now you can convert this to any format, RGB, BGR. Okay, so I want to convert all of the image into RGB. So just create a variable final image equal img dot convert. Okay, img dot convert, and I just convert into RGB. Okay, now save this image file into the PDF format. Okay, so now type final image dot save method. Okay, and just pass the parameter. At first you have to put the output file name. So just put file name your file.pdf, and now what is the extension? Extension is PDF, and you can pass the also resolution RESO LUTIO, and resolution is 90, 100, anything. Okay, so now save it. Okay, this is your file, and then open the file with image.open and then convert the file to RGB. You can create any condition for this. Okay, now save the file with PDF. Okay, now save it and run this. Okay, you can see here your PDF has been created. You can see this is the output file name, your file. So this is the output file name, your file. Okay, so you can open this file. So this is a PDF. Okay, now I convert this file into a PDF file. This is a JPG file, you can see it. Okay, so I just right click properties and now just copy the file path, and the name of the file is woman. Okay, so here just grab the file image. So here just put the file path and just type the name of the file woman.jpg. okay, so you can put here double slash. Okay, so just put this. Now save it, and what is your output file name? Your file one.pdf. okay, so just save it and run this. Okay, you can see your file 1 has been created successfully. Okay, so you can see it, your file 1 has been created successfully. This is a PDF file. Okay, In this way you can convert any image to a PDF file. Okay, so thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you.